Assalamu alaikum viewers, you are watching Go Center Engineering Services. I am your host Kamar Hassan Iqbal. How are you friends? Hopefully you are fine. So friends, today we are going to do our Mitsubishi software, how to make a project and how to start the programming. GX developer version 8 we are using for this. So that is the main window that appear for this ML soft series GX developer. So for the making new project we will open this. That is the series available for the PLC series available for the Mitsubishi. We use any one PLC type. These types, for detail of these type you can see my video regarding the this PLC basics. So these are the program type ladder, SFC, ST, or on this type of PLC series only is ladder and SFC supporting. Label setting, do not use label. Okay, do not use label we are using. Okay, that is the main window here for the programming, and our project also create here. So today we discuss only the basic instruction. Is open contact, open branch, close contact, close branch, coil, application instructions, draw horizontal line, draw vertical line, delete horizontal line, delete vertical line, rising pulse, falling pulse, rising pulse, open branch, falling pulse, open branch, operation on rising edge, operation on falling edge, reverse operation result, free drawn line, and delete free drawn. Okay, first we will see the open contact X0 that we are using for the input, and then I will use here one coil for the output Y0. Okay, the same thing here, X used for the input, physical input, and Y is used for the physical output. So we use one open contact, normal open contact, and normal coil. You see here we go. Go for the okay, we'll go first for the, because we're doing the offline, we'll go here and Ladder Logic test. After running this, they can do write to PLC. Actually that is a simulator, use DX developer simulator where we install, but that only function is here. Then we will go in online. It's a little bit different as compared to the other PLC. Entry data monitoring, we will open this, that program will open. You see here two input that we already added, one input and one output already here, not show anything. When we start the start monitoring, it show here both are 0. So for the testing we will go device test, and we will do here I will write here X0 because we are doing through X0 forcefully on. When I will be on forcefully, it will be on and output also on here. So when I off, it will off also here, output is off, here is also off. So that is a normal coil. I will stop the monitoring, close, and then go here to use this. Okay, Next I will use here the branch, open branch. I will use this open branch for Y0. Why I use Y0? Because I am making here the latch program or holding program for this Y0. Here I use another normal close contact X1. Okay, that is now latching program. We will see this. It's a little bit slow as compared. Actually is asking that I'm not saved, so you want to delete my program. Again make this because I'm not safe and I mistakenly done this thing here. Actually it's a little bit difficult or not too much interesting as compared to the other PLCs. Normally not use this Mitsubishi in our industry. Save it. Why? This mistake. Y0 X1. And these instructions with different PLC have different instructions here available, so you can use if different this will be enabled. Like in this PLC only that one available. It's writing, PLC is writing there. Okay, we will go say monitoring, interdata monitoring. You see here this X1 not available. We will add this X1 also. Okay, now our 3 tags are available here. We will do stop monitoring. All are 0 right now, right? We'll go device test. First our input is X0, then our latch program will start. Go firstly on. Okay, input on, this output, both are on. I will off it. This is on output. When I off it, input is off but output still on. So for one I will go force on. When I will on, automatically output will off. I will off but still have off because it's a latching. You already see how latching is working. If you don't know about the latching, then you need to see first about the latching program, then you can understand this function also. So thank you so much for watching this video. For more videos you can subscribe our channel of Central Engineering Services to see how we will discuss the later about this all instruction about Mitsubishi in our page available. Siemens, Mitsubishi, Allen Bradley, Delta, Fatigue, all PLCs, basic to advanced, all videos available. Thank you so much for watching this video.